era nsaba omubuuza nti baba kiki tutabona iwe kyobona ekiri ku bisooti ki
yena abakole bye mutabona kwaina byabo na bye mutabona muloza mnatabona imwe niyo bye mutabona
kyetuva tuli mubuuza nti kiki
Katonda yandimpaira obulamu nabawe bana mukama mpa obulamu olunaku olwondulabe Secretary General wa NRM Kaligwetana Richard Todwong bwe bakuwandikira nga bajja okusinkana
ow'ekibiina
n'asalawo enkiiko Secretary General n'asalawo enkiiko
be ni chairman oli muwandiisi
oli naakoba ono kali nkwaniza ku mukutu gwaffe gagadde gwa SML News Yugi buli otya nno mukwano gwaffe atugobererayo najjo asinza okutugoberera mwebale emirimu gye mukola mu Uganda yaffe neyakanayo kyani buli omwagiraba nga bwagiraba okusinza bwawo oyimiridde Uganda nsi nnungi baga nti ekulukuta omubisi gw'enjuki n'amata naye kisinzira ku kikyolidde nawa wooli nabwe tutyo we tuli ku the inside out nga bulijjo tudira byoloza nti byekusike ne tubikuddiza kungulu byoloza nti biri kune tubizza munda ngo lusoba obiseeko lukwakwayo bwotyo bwetyo butujja okunyumya leero ku SML News Yugi wala okwekumira wano share like subscribe comment era obubaka butu batufuna bulungi ne tugobera ekyoba otugambye kale wetekereke bulungi tandikira mwene y'olwalero zessa Simon Yanga Lutaya Dine Proscovia Salam Musumba mukwano gwammwe ennyo Salamu yekumidde mu kitiibwa kimu teyeteekateekako bintu maama gundi ye Proscovia Salam Musumba na FDC kintu kimu kyokka kyendaba solo sagala kugeya abantu nkimugamba waali muntu wampaka nnyo muntu alemera ku kintu emyaka kati bagigenda mu 2 mu 5 3 banno bonna ne bana baavaayo n'abali obi ne balongooka olaba ne gundi yagenda Salamu neera gwe n'olema ow'ekitiibwa gundi nti olaba
ow'ekitiibwa wagenda
ate nze singa ow'ekitiibwa ati olemera kunze ow'ekitiibwa yagenda nti ow'ekitiibwa naye abantu abo tebali feya kyebwe nagenda banvuma ow'ekitiibwa bwe yagenda tebayogera nti okay
maama yasiibula
ngasiibula ni abantu
yasiibula omukulu n'amutegeeza
asitwago maama okusiibula kati nkusiibula ogenda oku
nkusiibula
ngende ndye ne
ngamba nti wentuuse sikyasobola leka mpeerezeeko nga nsinziira ku platform endala kati gwombulira yakubula nange nasiibula singa wasiibula kyandibadde kirungi toli mu kkomera
nasiibula
wasiibulani
dokita bulungi ne tunywa caayi ne tulya kasooli naŋŋamba ebigambo bino kimu kyokka kyenja okwera sijja bikugamba yannyonnyola nti si kipya gy'ali alabye n'abasinga nze obumu nga bamenyeka naŋŋa nti eyo y'enkola y'omulabe bakunyiga ne bakussa mu katu ng'osigaza eki ga nti mujje mu nnyambe abalamu gye baga nti oyiba no yeetonna nyeremu otyoyiza ontwike ng'oyibire kute guliko otyoyiza ontwike kye yaŋŋamba era kyendowooza nti that man is a statesman nti bw'oba ogenze gendera ddala naye bw'ogenda eri nayagala okuwuliza eno bajja kutta kwati bwe yaŋŋamba
kubeera naawe kati gy'oli oli musanyufu gy'oli okola ebikusanyusa you are whole your body, your conscience, your heart is in one place, which is okay. That is how life is. College kusanusa.
How is Dr. Besigye?
Dr. Besigye is fine. Era abaire wakuboneka ku mu kooti olwaleero ayitaida kwida taida kwida yasalawo nti omulamuzi Emmanuel Baguma yasalawo ira omusango bwajja okugukola so atamalira biseera atamala na biseera bya bannayuganda asome busome ensalawo
Tiai bajja kusoma ensalawo yakati. You're guilty.
It is okay.
Sentencing it to life or death.
Even by hanging, he's okay.
Salam. How will you look when Besigye is hanged?
Only to try the Besigye.
And he will be hanged.
He will. And he will accept.
Really?
Because he already accepted to be hanged as an innocent man.
Dying for
we will add it to sorrow. We were dying for himself and his values and what he espouses.
What is in this?
Look at Sarah Wiwa.
Yes, very well.
Embwe de Nigeria. Dalo Zambu Dirikola Chamani. But she remains the icon, the defender of environment. Era kasana bwe singa bwekali twocha. Nenda katwochere idala ino in memory of Ken Sarowiwa. Era nga kasana akatuse ku 41 degrees mu Europe, France esuye. N'amaadhi ge bali bafuwira gona gasuwa. That is what he tried to avert by drawing the attention of the Ogoni people, and the Ogoni people means all of us.
I experienced that in Mombasa in 2007 when I went to the beach. Nga nempe ojene ndemfuweku eri hot. You could not stay in the room, so you want to go out and get fresh air. There was no fresh air in Mombasa, and that's why. And he said, "What is this?"
Yes, and the oxygen will be depleted in the atmosphere, and we will die.
You know, najo okwira mu Uganda ngabula kati muyango likuoneka otya. Ng'omusana gundo kikyayusha zena mperuse ndi kufaana banaifa abera ate nga tiri waayo.
Kufaana na mudinka.
Ochoge.
Iwe, Europe. Na emipiira giri kusamuka. Emipiira gy'emmotoka n'engaito diri kusamuka. Pusi tesobola kusalangira.
That's if it can live.
Kanji?
That's if it can live.
So, Dr. Besigye.
When did you last talk to Besigye?
Friday, last week.
Friday.
Yeah.
Okay. You are one of the longest people around Dr. Besigye. You've been alive for so long. Kiki ekigumya omutima gwe n'aba mukakanavu n'aba kalinanali. Azira baana bangi nga nze muyango 14 noti nfiirira baana bange. Abaana tobayina malala baba mikititwiddi.
Ayina abaana babiri. Yes, Adam and Anselm. Adam and Anselm, yeah, so, I know them.
Why is he that rigid?
That is him. Kuba Muchiga Mwen original. That is how he was raised. That is how he was socialized. And that is how he was formed. Mabaka tuliche mulimu chebeta formation. Formation weba teka father. Weba sengeda. So the way he was formed, he went through formation, socialization, and who he is. Wadugiranga yabago bati kodinga tiri mutabani wa Kifefe.
Yes.
Ati ono taida nga bali mukobati tasobola akyusa mateeka yamugati be yalayira kuba mwana alatawe era mwana walatawe bwe tutabona ayi mwene yamulayirira ati kodinga tiri mwana wa Kifefe.
You know, sometimes you wonder, yafiirwa muganda we, remember, Kifefe. Tina ali kunumira obulamu ino mukazi azira na gano. Almost aba yenka.
And he's happy.
Abantu bonaona bamulumuyikeku. Bwalowooza oti bali solde
yakatuwe. Yazaalibwa yenka. Ate ajja kufa yenka. Eno bye tukola naye. It is by choice. It is by belief. Ate byalikola tibimena mateeka. Byalikola n'ebyamutwala mu nsiko. buno bwomaka bagambisemu obwali buzira byakola bwe baja kujja okola ki
kabagambisemu
bamaka bagambisemu maka bagantezemu bwe bayagaana abaali babisangosango balumukira mu nsiko batyo aye omusaadha yali dokita nga alina omulimo mu agakani yemuja enaku dino era nga timwidde nali n'agakani kuba yali yabalonde mu bakungu aye nga yakola yaba mugumu yaba mumalirivu yaba patriotic yakati Uganda eri kwenda obununuzi yava mu agakani yaja mu nsiko era yaba musawo President Museveni obugumu obwo bwe mba musooke mu musomemu omulenzi w'omuto mutabani w'omuto myaka 2 yakati kino tituukigumiikirize katujje tulwanirira eggwanga lyaife era ekalwanirira eggwanga twena
But what happens to you when you realize that you're fighting a people's struggle?
Yes.
But the people are not with you.
He's the first person. Era ezira gwako baki ezira gwa kaka ati nonereza aya akukobera ati ensi eno kandi baire tugitegeka tuti it is his outlook to what our country should be. Era byalwanirira nebyo betulwanirira ebiri mu isemateeka enfuga ey'okutambulira ku mateeka mpera ano bona bwe tujja okwokya semateeka obona ekirako.
Besigye is 70 years.
Yes.
My mother is 72.
Yes.
Just imagine an image of a 70-year-old man.
Yes.
Being hanged.
Yes.
For fighting for what is not tangible.
It is tangible. Freedom is tangible. Peace is tangible. Democracy is tangible. Obigema kubiwuniza. Very tangible. They are goods. They are public goods which we all aspire for. Olozaze noniachi.
Nje kubuza.
Ze nonia idembe. Twena tuliyagaliremu. Kubere idembe. Ngani bano bakali kubaawo Katonda ne yalituwa. Kyova obona enamusesinga munsi yona eyogera ku mirembe. Abaganda bako bateradde mirembe mamu nyoge
malamuge
abajjo bako ba shalom peace abasilamu salamu alaikum aba Christians they say peace be with you shalom. So idembe is a tangible era idembe bali bulawo ensi yona erwala omusuuda nga bwe tuli abalwaire buti.
The other day you told me you have a master's degree.
Yes, in social policy and planning. Now I have a master's degree in fiscal planning from the University of Nottingham.
So where are you going to use them? Because in the government where you'd use them, you have not gone them.
Yes.
Bet Kamia, who was in the position where you are, has used her education
and what does,
served us as an inspector of government.
Remember about her?
Empty space.
Empty space.
She recovered some money from the thieves at the inspectorate.
Wow.
Some billions of money.
Nothing. You know, otantwaleyo kubande bingi. But omuntu bwaba ali kwenda kiri oti musambi wa mpira Drogba Salamu mwenda azanire mu timu ere oli kungulo ntwale mu timu eyo tutebe golo oba toli kuntwala kutyama ku katebe tuba tujateba ki
golo
era omuzaano guba tujja kuzaana 90 minutes tutebe golo tujeni ku World Cup. Okay? Aye bwobanga oli kujja nga timu eri kugula kutakatebe ekutole mu timu eri. Is that the best use of your talent?
Ate bwongula okuntaka tebo bawangulire.
Anti era kye baliko. Abasinga bungi babaguze kuba katebe. Okola kiye? Nyokola ki? Bino bye twakolanga tokaali kwijjayi. Muti okola ki? Makaya. Oli makaya.
Lwaki tolinda environment nongeya? Awayogera kendi gano.
Nze tugeya nkugeyera kimwana naze.
Some of this, you know.
You see, it is how you were raised. Zena nebuuza nti lwaki nze. By the way, nze politics. Nze it became addictive. Politics is addictive. But
that's the polite way of saying it, but you are radicalized.
No, I wasn't radicalized. I was passionate. Passionate. Ukubona Uganda which works. Bana, you know, Uganda is the easiest country to govern and govern well. Yes.
Salam, what have you said? Is the easiest country?
Yes.
Governing Uganda?
Governing
you call
Uganda
it easiest?
is so easy. Kuba bana Uganda bantu balamu. They are good people.
Governing Uganda, Salam,
Ugandans
easy?
Are very easy people. Very easy. Very.
We need to unpack the uneasiness you're talking about.
Abagiswahili bebebisa.
Yes.
They are defined. So, obaleka befuga. Waba webikola befuga bedda kulwana bakubagane betereze. Abateso baida kwekuba betereze. Abasoga
baida kwegeya
bona twerwanise abalango batubite twire engulu twerwaneko. So they are easy to manage because each of them have social characteristics that are manageable. They are not barbaric, they are not every part of us has very good stuff. Bona Abarua boys bafuze Kampala eno nga bayeteme ku kifo kitya Arua Park.
Era n'abafugawo era bw'oyenda wakala abo beegemawo they took space in Kampala
bafuna embassy yaibwe eri awo.
No, that is it.
Yes.
And they even dominated by calling the name Arua Park.
Arua Park.
You don't need to ask anything except Arua.
Era buli kirungi ekyaibo gyakyaagaana ku Arua Park.
You know their behavior?
You know their behavior.
They have their type of food.
They are kind of... They love good life. They love
but they are receptive. By the way, they are very good. When I go talk to them there, they are very good people.
Likewise, bw'ojja ku baasi abajja egulu. Bishu ezirajja kuiba ku baasi. Nze nditambuliramu tusimbuka saawa 5 twatuka egulu saa 9. Mu baasi nga bona bayikaikamu buli omu ali ku bibye mwatuuka egulu saawa 9 buli omu yagema ebibye yajja. Where do you find such people? Abazira kwali bakiya na mwigu. That self-love makes Uganda a very happy country, a very comfortable country to govern.
In your formation, you seem to be limited with the choices.
Yes.
Who next after Besigye? Because you never recover Besigye.
There is Salam, there is Semuju, there is Nyanjura, there is Ingrid, there is Omulodi. I'm
talking about somebody who can lead your party. Suppose we have a presidential race.
Yes.
And they say, okay, give us a presidential candidate.
Yes.
You'd post Salam?
Yes.
Salam?
Nze gw'olingirira. Nze kikyenzera. Nsinga abasinga bungi.
You can stand this tear gas?
Okusaba obwa president tear gas?
Aida.
No. You say you have the wrong template. You have the wrong template.
But the actual template. It may be wrong, but it's the actual template.
Well, the actual template. Ndigumite iwe mwana iwe. Nze tibamanirira. Nze tibamanirira.
Do you ever sit down and calculate what you have lost in the struggle?
In
remaining
form?
politically stubborn.
In material form?
Whichever. Material form?
In material form?
Spiritually?
No.
Physically?
Biologically? I am okay. Because I was going to live those years as I have lived them. Materially, I would want more than what I have, but what I have is enough. I would have wanted to have more, but what I have is enough. Ate oba oluisi neerabira n'ebyendi nabyo.
Sure.
Yeah. Neerabira byendi nabyo.
So bw'okulula embuzi oti ng'oli kugikulayinga eri kuwalira. Osigala kw'okasiko olekulamu ogireka. N'abaana Uganda be muli kuwalula. Muba waluire 30 years ebisago tibayidda. Nze kankobere. In creating a political platform, the People's Front for Freedom, just like it was the Forum for Democratic Change, oli kunoonya wosinziira to engage with the way your country is governed, to shape policy, to shape outlook. A platform nibwe mbanga ku platform kuno gyendi kuzira wundi ayenga eriwo tiri kwebuzabuza nti ndiko di munaidini kodi ndi kwebuzabuza ndi wa culture kodi ndi kwebuzabuza ndi NGO nze byange bya bufuzi from Monday to Monday including Sunday 24/7. So when my platform yange, I market my outlook to the world, and that is all I want. I want to have a platform where my voice is heard. That is all. That's what you have done.
And that's what I continue doing.
So what are the dividends?
You see, what you're looking for is not what I'm looking for. I'm not going to steal because I want political grounding. I can be a successful thief without using politics. Okay? Platform where politics we have achieved in that we have exposed what we have lacked in our politics to the extent into buti abantu takabuuza okutwala ku ntite bakamanya nti twabalabula emyaka 2 einuma myaka 3 einuma twabakoba nti okutoola ku akawaayira 102 aka term limits nti tulikwesemera magombe nigano ge tuli mu buti nigano. We were working very hard to avert this situation. Nga tulikoba nti bana Uganda engire yetugemye twagigema tetuuka banange mutatoola wo bye twayikirizaganya mutamena ndagaano mwaka mti tuli basiru mwaka mti tutolewo n'ekindi eky'emyaka twabaga ati muno omuntu bwageze 75 mumuleka ati amise muti bye tudde mulibona n'ebyo bye twali tulikwegala. Yes. So, what have I achieved? I have achieved by telling people that we have done ourselves a disservice. Bitabo bya idini ife batweta Yeremiya omulanzi Salamu omulanzi Besigye omulanzi kuba twali tuli kunoonya byaife twali tuli kunoonya eigwanga twena letunatyamamu ng'emyoyo tugitweganike nga toli mukawugulalo
ali wali kawugulalo nze
niba ino
ate wakena jana nkumbi
era akawugulalo ako twaketegekera kyova obona kaje okutuukawo koona twabalengeza twakanti mulibona kino kyona twabakobera titwabalimba. So tutambulira mu musana all our lives, our political lives, nti tubaire abantu abagaire Uganda niba naife ekitiibwa mu bye tukola era tusigaire nga twetengereire ne flag ey'okukoba nti eno ni Uganda gye twenda twemereza awo flag ya Uganda ye twenda etali ya amigo etali ya basement egumiza amateeka n'endagaano ye twakola ng'abana Uganda. lwoliva ku ndagaano eno nga muginaane nga bwe mutandise oginaana mutoola mu lupapula bwe munaana oyida kubona ge tunaamalira bukyeire tibukyera bukyeire era ne mukyalo abantu banengeza bulengeze bakati omwana ono yamanaira ebintu bino we binaaba ndinabakobera
the inside out, the Proscovia Salam Musumba. Do you ever sit here or anywhere and miss FDC?
Yes, I do. Because I formed it. I miss it. I get angry.
You miss it and get angry?
I get angry.
Really?
I get so angry. Because there are 20 years of our adult political life that was stolen from us.
Simply put, 20 years of waste.
No, not at all.
Oh.
We never wasted. I've never wasted a day in my life. I've never. Wasting life, it would mean I'm an idiot. I'm not. I have never wasted a single day of my life.
You know, you had a duty, Proscovia Salam Musumba, to hold the opposition together. They say FDC at that. To hold it together as a duty. The way Museveni has held his NRM
we did
together.
Our best. We did our best, but we also knew the threat. We knew the threat was more powerful, and it had set us up for collision and for collapse. And
indeed you collided.
No, we used every opportunity, to prove to the public nti mubweyina abali einuma w'abano twakuba enduulu Katonda yatuyamba twabooleka obutemu bwona bwona obwalimu era bwe twamala okubakobera nti bana wano ebyabwe bikomye era twena tukomye wano banange tweyongeireyo, you would have had bloodshed. But we chose another day to fight. And that's why you found me here.
One thing you have taught me is to speak straight.
Yes.
That's why I'm asking you some of these questions.
Yes.
That you and Dr. Besigye, who are the leaders of the party I joined, because of your radicalism, you split into the Uganda Federal Alliance, now the People's Front for Freedom, the Alliance for National Transformation. This was the same FDC. And I'll tell you. And you seem to... Time has vindicated us. Time. How? Ire inuma ovale. Federal Alliance eyali eya Betikami. Chali chiwani. Ekyokubuudiikizaako Abaganda boona bamulengera baakaati be akakodyo titwidde akalyawo. Sure. Bamwegaana. Bwe yaddiba nakyo yaakaati ampwesiisa empiki kanumukire ye mukama wange. The Federal Alliance? Yes. I signed for a petition for federal government here, federal system of government. I signed. I don't know where the referendum went, how it ended. You see, ebintu obwongo bwe bukaali bugema. Obwongo bw'omu Uganda bunafu. Civic awareness inafu. Ate ni propaganda yali mungi. So, abantu buti federation is something they welcome. Era constitution ya People's Front for Freedom eri best ku federal states. Yes. So you support the federal system of government? We do. And that's what we want to put in place. That does not come out strongly in your because advocacy. You see the environment is polluted. There's too much noise. Nobody's listening. When they start listening, like I'm going to have a series of meetings in the different regions just to tell them. You want to have meetings? Yes, I'm going to have meetings. You? Me, Salam. I'm again, the speaker of the People's Front for Freedom. You are looking too nice to start going into these hassles again. But I'm comfortable with the hassles. That's what I signed up to do. Salam, Anji, this is not Museveni in charge. There's another person in charge. No, come on. The person in charge is more serious. I am working on the constitution. Salam.
I am working on the Uganda Constitution made by us, for us.
Wabo ine miri amatembe ngawenera. Wabati wamboyi. Ngali kuwenera. The fear stroking miri amatembe was humbled. Ngali kuwenera.
No man is worth leading others except with their consent. No man. Niwe okugema omukazi wo. Musango. Oba kisaada saada.
Beni bimwata omumateeka.
Yes.
Domestic rape. Domestic rape.
Abantu babatali kwenda.
Yaidye gange. Kaidye kimulese.
Ekimulese kibaga yati yafuuka nkoko. Buli wekyuka omwetambati. Omwetambati.
Salam.
Gy'ofuna embaati.
Nkole ntya?
Gy'ofuna embaati.
Namba zali sobola mbaati n'anoonya omuntu.
Otanoonya muntu gw'ojja kubisooti mbaati.
Bwe tubaleka ke mujja kubasa omuti abasatu tutubabona. Bwe tubabona kabiri mulikuwa muti muzira biseera.
Aye. Guno omulembe tigwa kwesiba ku bintu. Iwe bw'oba oyo tomwenda. Abadinka baliwo. Abanwere baliwo, abasumaali baliwo.
Bona abendo bakulusanya.
Bw'oba neyo group yoyenda gyonoonye. Aye tuzaanira ku mwana abendo. Yes.
Buli twononera abakazi.
Abakazi
you have radicalized our wives.
No, women, let me tell you, even being alone is so good. Yeah, even being alone. Even being alone is so peaceful.
I want to give
so
you
but abatiisa nze isemateeka lwendi muvaako lwe mulingema offside aye nga nkakolera mulemu isemateeka ebyo ebiboozibozi byaimwe.
At the time you led FDC, at one time as leader of opposition, you had 48 MPs. You remember that time?
Yes.
48.
Yes.
Do you know how many you have today?
Well, in PFF we have 2. And that's all we want.
FDC has 9.
That is all they need. Even one of ANT, Kale Bagaite.
When you say that's all they need?
That's all you need, because in a functioning multi-party democracy, NRM is one voice, DP is one voice, National Unity Platform is one voice, People's Front for Freedom is one voice, you know? Alliance for National Transformation is one voice. One. Agaganji gobo nawo equals one voice. Ayebyoulira is confusion, chaos, because they are not organized internally to create one voice. N'abantu bye babisatu babidi, because they have nowhere where policy is developed, where policy is debated, where policy is agreed and shaped. They just hand them over. If ever twali movement system, era byonna byaliwo. I remember our first meeting yali Lakitura. Daleeta Honorable Mama Mbabazi. Yatukoba ati we have decided. Nayemerera nambuuza nti who is we? Nambuuza nti who is we?
You were young that time.
Tiding another mukyalo nava ebugabulanga abakulu bankobya ati mwana ife oli kujja Kampala. Aye buli gavumenti ebakuba eneyo. Ako n'akaama ke bankuba ati mwana ife oli kujja Kampala.
Bakazungu baba bali wano.
Aye buli gavumenti ebakuba eneyo. N'ababuuza nti eno yaani.
Zera kyeni kwenda owulira. Eno yo yaani. Bakoba ati
Edamanire yaye jatoidi. That was the health warning they gave me. So bwe ntuuka natuuka nga ekyo n'ekindi mbwongo ndikwenda kumana eno gavumenti yaani kuba nze bwemana neetereza.
Sena nkobera akolero muna.
So nga Honorable Mama Mbabazi tatuuka bwakyusa glasses bwakyusa yakoba ati wi yali otantakwira. Nambuuza nti sir, who is we? Because if it is we, nze nga member wa parliament nekakasa nti ndi part of the we.
And you are saying we have.
And you are saying we. I was expecting it. Mu movement caucus tuteese. Twidye tuwabiragiro mbuwi. Namga ati baba be. Nze ekyo kinekyandeeta.
Walitika bakamanira
nze nali nakava Bungereza.
Ayi ng'oli muto.
Nga ndi muto ngaye n'abasoga bantumye abagabulanga bakobi ati put our voice. Let it be heard. Tiaida kutyama kunwa chai. Kubona TV. I came our voice to be heard. Nambuza anti baba sebo. Who are we? Who is we? Na ebigambo na ebigambo. Namkanti nze nikankobe. Navire kanga bankobe at every government has its owners.
Kabiri wako boli.
Namukoba mwene.
Kubakama.
Bankubakama. Era ano nabuza dano galo. Nabuza dano galo. Kuba ye dano galo yali abayire. Dan Wandero galo yali abayire mu CA. So nga bwe mbaku n'ekintu ekyentategeire nsooka mubuuza. Kuba ne yali Attorney General wa Busoga. Mu Busoga caucus. Nga ni Attorney General nga ndi n'omubuuza. Mona ndikwenda abuuza kimu. Ndowooza yena yayenda kumanya baba nandya batya. Abeewo ng'alibo naso n'abuuza. Nti sebo. Ewa ife banko ati buli government eba eneyo. Eno yani. Kuba otandise nawi. Ya balambatani awe ebigambo ya akyusa olulimi ati ayenga
akagambo kala ako konka ka wika akukabula kati.
Abantu nga bano abawambako obuyinza batandikiriza batyo. Era baali baidye nalu. Twaga ati we, who is the we?
So yakoba ati yani kuba kotenda akafuika. Yakukola bene
yakoba. Kyamubuukako. You see, bali kibatwidi. They had not done a background check on us. Nga balowooza ati oba abasoga okuleeta asalamu Musumba baabuze bwa muntu.
Akali
muyolerera ati Balumbe. Balesa abaana ba superstar. So nakimubuuza ate nga ndi mubuuza mu Luzungu lwategeera. Kyasooka kyamu throwing off balance ndowooza bayira mu beegeya bakoba ati batyaima abantu twaga nti amperano ife nze group yenalimu ne yali bakazoora ba young parliamentarians. So
bona bakuleka iwe ni ogalo nimwo omuwalire ogalo yena alemeireko. Batukoba ati bali kwenda tunoonye caucus leadership movement. Tunoonye caucus leaders aba minister besuulawo. Era benda babe batukoba ati amama mbabazi ne yali mu CA era gwe bali kwenda twaga nti baba be you have enough platforms on which to give your ideas. Twenene yaba backbench era twalonda Professor Bukenya ndidukira Honorable Chebrot yena yayenda twaga ati iwozida musimama okyuka twalonda Gilbert Bukenya
yaba chairman waife. Ni team yali nene lwaba bakabi
ni mufuula very powerful. Meriiso ly'omukulu limulingeku.
Correct.
So ndoza kyova tiyalwa mu ntebe yaidda ke bayidukira kale nti yaidda lwakuba you challenged the we.
Yes, we did. We challenged the we. We did. So, but you can't blame the chief executive. Kuba aba abantu bona kiringa boba ni political nursery. Nursery bed. Walonda mu abakulembeza abalimu. Era bwe yalonda ba medical gwa ba bona ba Toma Isu ba Akika Othieno, they were fantastic brains. But they are still in big places. Nyango Kakoba, very good. It was a good nursery bed. It was a good nursery bed. Era babatulondamu babafuula omuntu bw'abalondamu banayimwe n'abanini amadaala aba ali ku groominga, which is okay. So era abo bwe baja twakayiri twayiwa group eyindi nga titukamiiza.
I want to wind up this particular episode by looking at your appearance at the Uganda People's Congress.
Wow.
What is it? You have a history with UPC. It is really rare in Uganda's politics that a senior party leader of another party will walk into the headquarters of another party.
Yes.
But you went to UPC?
We did. Like UPC has been coming here. And next we are going to Alliance for National Transformation. Then we will go on to JEMA. You see, politics gwe tulimu, and ate era tulikutegeka. Tulikuwandiikira National Resistance Movement ebaluwa. Nga ife ebibiina ebindi twenda twagaana ne nabo.
You want to go to them?
We want to ask them
Plot
questions.
10.
Plot 10.
Chadondo Road.
Yes.
Which day is that? I want to wait
they
for
will give us the day, but we are writing to them.
You'll walk in there?
We will go.
Salam?
Yes.
Plot 10?
Yes.
Era
nga tuli kusaba okwogera ne bakulembeze banaife ab'ekibiina ekiri mu bufuzi. Okubategeeza nti muli kubona nga muviire ku mulamwa.
Awo otajja kabiri.
That is what is taking us.
Otajja mu maka ga mwino na mateeka. You are the visitor.
Era nifo
you want to set the agenda?
We are. Ekiri tutwalayo tea kunywa chai kuba twena tulina owaife. Tuli kujja abako bantu bana bye mubona bye tubona.
Salam.
Yes. Kubanga mandate mulina mpyaka. Mbu nimo omwasinga. Nimo omwalayira. Mbu.
Salam. Na basinga. Musere won this election comfortably.
Olira, that's okay. Era walayira okukuuma isemateeka. Tuli kubona nga muli kuva ku nnono ya isemateeka. Twidye okubabuuza nti eriyo kye tutabona oba ki. Because that is how democracy is supposed to work.
Enkoko erumba embwa.
Ati dankutola enkodo. Tuli kulumba. Ate era ti kulumba mu bubi to save our country.
Why do you think you know better what this country wants than their own statement? The statement of the people is that we want NRM to continue.
And that's why we are going to NRM.
And the minority wants to show that...
Listen, we are going out to NRM. Kuba mu bebalifuga twena tulimu. Tuyinza okuba nga isemateeka yetuliikozesa. Eriyo olupapula lwe mwatuulamu. Ife nitutamana. Twenda twide ye muli.
Munoni olupapula.
Tubuuze nti bana. Isemateeka ge twawandiika n'akaakola.
So what can UPC do in this?
So UPC
twajayo. Got time to go to UPC.
Because
I saw you standing on their platform.
I will tell you, and I was so happy. You don't know how good it feels to stand at the pedestal of a party that has been in power twice, led by a very intelligent man who brought us independence, who negotiated independence. Woo! It feels so nice. Era bata kwa kemba kandidukiza.
Bataka nyamurunga oba?
Mama.
Why UPC?
The Congress of the People.
Mwakatola olunirira katwagala obote nga sente. Lwaki bakatola?
Ako nimo mwakatamu. Meyanga taya. Nze nkusinga emyaka. Ate mama wange Hajat. Wa UPC original.
Yali wa UPC?
Yes.
Twakema twagala obote nga se.
Chona chaliwo kuba mukulu ni dada yali UPC.
Baile byono byogeire tuligano.
Let me tell you niboja
kumukolo. Yafakega amalibu kwa UPC.
Kankukobera. Niboja kumukolo notyamba obutyami. Nolingirira abageni bwe baida. Manoti woyo yali wa UPC, oteyo wa DP, ono goyi wa movement. Engeri ye batambulamu.
Acho kwaita goyi.
Anti baida goyi batyo bazira Musumba. They have not been educated into statecraft. What UPC did was to grow a statesman by the way they walk, the way they talk, the way they address. They went through training.
Because you are a minority party. This is a mass party.
Oh God.
You have time to do that if you are few.
Come on.
With a mass party like this,
NRM just lost the goodwill, lost the plot, lost the opportunity to train the next generation of smart leaders. Smart leaders. Ndikukobera ingira bwingire mu room wamanya oti bano bali smart.
So you consider UPC a key player in Uganda's politics today?
It is.
It was.
It is a key player because it still has the taste of statehood. Era mukujitya n'okubona nga balemeresa akena okwemererawo, because the people of Lamu have decided nti ife tulina abakulembeze, ife kuba wegabitiraku wegakulukutiraku wegayirawo, because abafugaku tibafaanana batafugangaku. So UPC, it was really an honor to be at their headquarters, also to share the echo chamber in which they are in, and also address the nation and give the nation comfort that we are not at war.
Muba mubalaka kikubanga
tubala unity of purpose, unity to save the constitution, constitutionalism, and to save ourselves.
At the time
because
you needed to come together,
we face an existential threat.
Elections, you did not come together.
That
the public
is
wanted to come together.
That is now past. Oibi waliwo politics nga mulimu abali MP1, abali MP4, abali mu senior. Oyo ni politics wa Uganda edimu abakali ni baby class. Bali gezesa boogera buli kizirayo, boogera nibye batogera musana. So we have all come of age because we face the same existential threat. And we are also looking at our country. So, this is the time to come together and say, listen, muleke tusoke, tukungane Uganda galala, tukungane emyoyo gyaffe galala, tukungane abantu galala.
I'm happy to hear you're going to try to NRM.
Yes.
Singa muwandikire NRM okubajja okubakyalira baakuba atya mukama waffe ssente bw'ekibiina akobi mutajja kyaddongo mwidde entebe oba mwaganira kitula muwaye kunayize kyama
ekyo kiziramu kizibu kuba ne bw'atyama entebe aba chairman wa kibiina aye lwakuba twenda okuza ebyobufuzi ebirambulukufu ni mwene kyandibaire kirungi okutyama ku kitebe kye.
Yaida ku plot kye.
Yaida ku kitebe kye yalaga ensi kuba ensi kwebonera nti ekibiina kindi ni gavumenti ki kubanga bino byonna tuli kusomesa igwanga.
Salamu.
Ensi bwe yanditambwire.
Bwe mulijja olunaku lwe mujja okukyala ku plot 10. Nakati mulinde ku katono chairman ali kuidda ndikwogera ku Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ke muli omwo munda oli awo akena ali awo n'abandi
semujwa ali awo olukwaga ali awo
timuli olukwagazira lukwada kwa basement tukwaga muwani
aidha abawo
anabaizi
aidha abawo
mubimaliriza
aidha abawo
ali kuikomera mu kumpimu
aidha abawo kuba nakulembera ekibiina kino bw'ataabeewo physically era aidha abawo.
Muli baawo ko uloti ali kuidda 7 ali kuidda timuli noloka ku buli muntu kugema gabiti muli baawo
ego ki nga tutolokera ki
lwata mutye
nzebe
byoyogera nosolo kuyogera kali atya imwe amukati wava ku security wasika mukonziro nakapapula salamu
nze
osobola okukola mu 7 but wasika mu olupapula
Era nsaba omubuuza nti baba kiki tutabona iwe kyobona ekiri ku bisooti ki
yena abakere byemutabona walina byabona byemutabona mulowooza munatabona imwe nebyo byemutabona
kyetuva tuli mubuuza nti kiki
Katonda yandimpaira obulamu nabawe banaye mukama mpa obulamu olunaku olwo ndulabe Secretary General NRM Kaligwetana Richard Todwong bwe bakuwandiikira nga bajja okusinkana
ow'ekibiina
n'asalawo enkiiko Secretary General n'asalawo enkiiko
be ni chairman oli muwandiisi
oli naakoba ono banaye nsaba Katonda mpa obulamu bwe bawandiikira ssente bulukiiko akkirize meeting tujala ku lot 10 kya Dondo Road
kibaku akikulira era boyida mucyange wano Elias Lukwago nakikulira tituba basaada babiri gaka
olunaku olwo lunsange banenga nkyalaba ndabenga aba opposition bana aboogera bulijjo ebikankana there's a way these people melt when Museveni is there nesala Musumba bino byayogera so ne batandika okukankana bali nga tebivaayo nindo olunaku olwo mukama alumpe ndulindire nga mbaga bwe tumalize ekitundu kyaffe kino ekisooka ekya the inside out ne Proscovia Salaam Musumba tuzikana mu kitundu kyaffe ekiddako nga Proscovia Salaam Musumba ono atubuulira ebiri mu palamenti gye yaliko banenge ensimbi ziri mu palamenti nga negomi olintayo olunaku olwo lumu lwokka nti buwumbi bane somero akisaatuuka ebino nandibadde mbibaze bwe tumalizeyo olwale bwe tutyo nze Simon Muyanga Lutaaya.